record. I will record it here. Okay, so you see here everything. I have a lot of codecs here staked also, and it is also collecting me Mosaic free tokens here and so on. And as I told you, everything is on blockchain, on Binance Smart Chain. So this is my wallet in back office here. And I'm usually sending money to my external wallet, like you, I have sent yesterday from here, the weekly commission. And if you go to this link, you will see on Binance Scan. So this is my wallet address in back office, and this is my address in uh, uh, in Mosaic wallet. So it is our decentralized wallet, and you can see the same amount here. It is somewhere here. Same amount. Where is it? Uh, mm, yeah, I'm working with my wallet a lot. So where is that?
There, I think you
I
passed
cannot.
it.
What?
I think you passed it. You just go
Yeah.
down.
Yeah. Okay. Let's first. Let's see. Where is the 5,000? Anyway, it is here somewhere. It is here somewhere.
Yeah, I saw it.
It is here. Anyway,
Next
never
one,
mind.
next one. There it is.
Next one.
Here.
Yeah. Ah, here it is. Yes. 5,793. And let's see. 790. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So everything is on blockchain. Everything is checkable. You can also go back here to the beginning, to first record here, and you can see on no, is it the last? No, we'll do it like this. So this is my wallet. Here is USDT, and let's go back to the last record. So you can see when I have sent. Oh, no. This is not from my back office. This is my. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so I have to go to my wallet from my back office. So this is my wallet from back office. And now we can go to the last record and see when I sent on January 2nd last year $25,000 from Binance, and I bought my first Validator Pro and so on. So everything is here. Commissions are here on blockchain. Commission details are here on blockchain. So everything is here. Everything is transparent. I think that you will not find any network marketing company transparent like ours. So this is our copy trade exchange and and you can see the number here. So actually the table you have seen on presentation about Codexa. I made it from our swap, but it was with the price at that moment. So it is changing every day. And actually, I made some calculation. Now you can see that 8% in
8%.
last 7 days. So if this continue like this, then you can see, let's delete this. So 1.08, let's see. And let's see 1 year, it is 52 weeks. So on 52, and it is 54 times, 54.7 times. And if we multiply it with today's price, it will be $1.8. So 1 year from now, if it continued to grow with 8% per week, the price of Codexa will be $1.8. Actually, if you buy Codexa now, and if Codexa continue growing like this in average, at least in average, you will have 54 times more money than now. So if you put here $1,000, you will have $54,000. If you put here $10,000, you will have $540,000. If you put here $100,000, you will have $5.4 million. in 1 year, just from Codexa, if it continues 8% per week. But maybe it will go faster. I think that at one moment we will see speculators here. We will see people who are not buying Codexa because now the price is going up because people want to buy Codexa and to stake it for 3 years. Let's say at one moment somebody will hear about this and they will bring money here because they will try to predict how long will it go up and so on and so on. But if they understand this project, they will understand that at some moment the price will go up because of new members on the platform who are investing here. Also from using this platform, and at one moment the price will go up because of value of Mosaic chain. So anyway, you see the big potential here, so and why is this good for you? I just wanted to show you uh, that it is very realistic for me to have Codexa between $1 and $2.5 in next 1 year. So it is very realistic, and this is so different than anything else on the market. So every day there are new and new scams with stupid offers. Yes, they are usually easy to explain, but they are scams because they can tell you whatever they want. They are not limited like we can tell you only the truth. So, but this is easy to communicate. So when you start talking with people, you will tell them, listen to me, I called you 3 months ago, 6 months ago. I told you that you can buy liquidity packages with 30% of Codexa for 1 cent. And look at this, now it is 3.3 cents. And I just want to tell you that it will go up. Okay, it is going up for 8% per day, per week. So now you can again decide to join and start, or you can wait again. But I will call you 3 months from now just to tell you that we are growing. Okay. So I think that this is easy now to start talking with people because people are accepting this. This is open exchange. Everybody can join, everybody can buy. Nobody can take the liquidity out. Only liquidity providers, owners of liquidity token, can take out the liquidity from this pool. So it will be maybe 1.5 years from now. Okay, yeah, 1.5 year from now, people will start taking out liquidity tokens if they want. Maybe they will not want to take it out, or they will take out only a part or so on, or maybe they are investors in Mosaic chain like I am and we are. So we will not need that money. We will leave it there. Okay, just make me some money. It's okay. Thank you for everything, and that's it. So maybe we will not need that money, and it will be there, and it will be liquidity for everybody, and that's it. So actually, and go back, this is not the end. This is just the beginning. So we are in pre-launch for Mosaic Chain. We are in pre-launch. We are still in pre-launch, and we are preparing next project. And if everything will be okay next month in Budapest on our gala seminar, we will present it. If it will not be finished until that day, it will be finished 1, 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later, any time. So in next 1, 2 months, we will have next project, and that next project will be something again huge, developed and planned by these guys who made these genius things and so on. And we will tell people, listen to me. You didn't want to listen when we started with this. Look how much money I earned from this investment. And this is also a good project, but now you can start first. You can start now and don't regret. I spoke today with one woman from Austria. She's a very smart woman. We had nice conversation about potential and capitalization of project and positioning on the market and other projects and so on. So I was surprised about her knowledge about crypto, and she never invested in some stupid Ponzi schemes, but she liked this project, and she told me, yeah, this is real, this is real. And so I spoke with her, and she told me, "Oh, but I wish I heard about this earlier, and I'm surprised that I didn't hear about this earlier, because it would be better if I invest 1 year from before now. Yes, of course, it would be better, but you cannot go back. So it would be better if we can go back in the past, in 2010, and to buy Bitcoin, 1,000 Bitcoin for $100 or something." Okay, it will be nice, but we cannot go back. Okay, so we cannot go back. We just can think harder, and take some times, and look into this project, and I understand this project, and I understand that this project is a great project at a very early stage. So this is very early stage. So now you can have validator rights, validator pro rights for money. You will not have option to start when the blockchain starts. You will receive so much Mosaic coins that it will be a fortune 1 year or 1.5 years from now. So that's what you can decide. And actually, as I told you, uh, in last 20 months, since we started, it was not easy to build this business, to be honest. So this was not easy to build, because there is a big noise on the market. So many Ponzi schemes, and they are always telling people what people love to hear, and that's it. So, but now we have arguments, what people love to see and hear. We have arguments. We can show them real exchange with 8% growth in 7 days. Okay, so everybody has to understand the new strategy you can apply here from now. So that's your decision. What will you do with this? But I know that with company, I have agreement that we can do this Codex run incentive in September. And if we show good results with this, they will let me continue 1 more month. And if in 2 months we show great results, then they will let me continue this Codex run for the future, until we start the blockchain and so on. So if we do this, I think that we will launch our rocket with this business now. And if you want to use this opportunity, then you have to start now. You have to start now, because when we are in rocket and flying, then it is too late to use the inertia of the team and everything else. So yeah, you can get something from that, but not what you really can get from it if you start now. So actually, I suggest you to make some plans for this month, to make some goals, to decide what level you want to reach this month, to what rank you want to reach this month. I think that every one of you can be diamond this month, from zero, from scratch. You can make. When we started 20 months ago, first month I made $150,000 turnover. First month. And we didn't have anything, just a promise. There's just these two guys, and we saw the marketing plan on December 28th, 2021, and back office was not finished. We didn't have commissions from binary. We knew that we will have it, but we didn't have it then. And actually, on February 15, we received our first binary commission, and my first binary commission was about $12,000. My first binary commission was $12,000. So, um, so I just want to tell you that you are on right place in right time, and use it. Okay, use it, see it, check it, think about it, and let's go. Okay, thank you for your attention. I have to go to put my kids to bed. I hope that I helped you with this information, and I hope that everybody here and those people who will listen this this recording that everybody will start like crazy now. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've been exposed to the only real legal long-term